G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a chocolate bourbon cake. This is so yummy, so moist. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a mixing bowl and use a hand mixer or one with an attachment. Put in 1 cup of self-raising flour. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Add about 1/4 cup of softened butter. Then add about 100 mils of buttermilk. 1/4 cup of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of bourbon. You can add a bit more if you want. If you don't want to have bourbon, instead of bourbon just add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, also called bicarb soda. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 egg. Get about 75 grams of dark chocolate and melt it. Let it cool, then pour that in. Now mix this until it's well combined, and once it's well combined, mix it on high for a couple of minutes. Now just add the mixture to a cake tin, grease it so it doesn't stick. Now just pop this in the oven for about 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. So once you've let this cool on the counter and you take it out of the cake tin, you can either eat as is, or I like to put a bit of frosting on the top. Just any type, you can buy some or you can make some. You can also put the frosting on the sides, but I like to just have it on the top because it's quite rich. There you go. Now you can just pop this in the fridge just to let the frosting set a little, or eat as is, or just dive face first into it. Well, I hope you like this. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple cooking, simple